Now let's discuss the answers. Okay, I hope you all have done the work. Yes, now let's begin. Before discussing the answers, I will first discuss what is present continuous tense to just recall your memory. Okay, what is present continuous tense? Is, am, are, is, am, are plus verb first form plus ing. Remember this formula I have taught you, is, am, are plus verb first form plus ing. Okay, now I will read one by one all the questions which I have given and I will write the answers. Please check your answers honestly. Okay, let's begin. So first set was fill in the blanks with present continuous form of the verb given in bracket. He dash piano. The verb was learn. I will not copy all the questions, just I am making you the first one. I am copying the first one just to check. He dash piano learn. What will be? He is a single person, so he is. Learn is the base form. ing, learning. He is learning piano. Okay, now I will just write the answers. All our friends, all our friends dash come, are coming. Now third one, I dash my mother in the kitchen. So I am helping my mother in the kitchen. Fourth one, we are drawing some pictures of the river. Next, fifth one, I with I we will always use am. I am playing chess with my friend. Okay, now this exercise we have done. Now exercise B. What was that? It was write present participle form of the verb. So I will just write the answer. First one will be jumping. Second, swimming. Third, rushing. Fourth one was happen. So happening. Fifth was start, starting. Sixth one was riding. Seventh was learning. Now eighth word was come. So coming. Ninth one was take, taking. 10th was go. So going. So I hope you all have done both the exercises correctly. Now let's move to the third exercise. That is exercise C. What was the questions? Change the following sentences into present continuous tense. So I need some space. So I will rub the board. Then I will continue. So I will just write the answers. Okay. The question was, he eats food. So it will be, he is eating food. Second, we go on a picnic tomorrow. We are going on a picnic tomorrow. Third, Sheila plays carom. Sheila is playing carom. Now fourth one, she sings song. She is singing songs. Now fifth one, Ram goes to school. Ram is going to school. Okay, so please check your answers. Now I will move to exercise D. What was exercise D? Exercise D was complete the following with is, am or are. So I will not copy the questions here. I am just going to write is, am or are. Okay, please check. First one was mother dash cooking. Mother is a single person, so mother is cooking. Second, Mohit dash learning French. Mohit is learning French. Now third one, she dash dressing her little sister. She is dressing her little sister. Now fourth one, the birds is singing. No, the birds are singing because birds are plural. For plural we use are. Okay. Now next fifth one, I going to play. I am going to play. Okay. Now we will do the E exercise. For this I have to rub the board. So what is exercise E? Rewrite the following sentences after correcting them. That means the sentences are wrong. Where is the wrong? We have to first find out and then we have to correct it. Okay, let's see. I are writing a letter. No, it will be I am writing a letter. Next, second sentence. Manu and Prabha am going home. No, Manu and Prabha are going home. Because two persons are, we are talking about Manu and Prabha, two persons, that means plural, and for plural we will use are. Okay. Now third, Riya are sleeping in her bedroom. Riya is a single person, so Riya is sleeping in her bedroom. Now next, fourth one, we is searching for storybooks. We are searching. We are searching for storybooks. Now fifth one, they is feeding the monkeys. They are feeding the monkeys. Feeding the monkeys. So that's all for this chapter, that is present continuous tense, and I hope you all have done it correctly. And as I have said in starting only, that for present continuous tense you have to just keep one formula in mind, that is, am or are plus verb first form plus ing. Now whatever set of question will be there, like you have to fill in the blanks, like you have to fill it with is, am, are, or you have to just add ing to the verb, or you have to just correct the sentence. Whatever type of question will be there, the same formula will be applied, that is, am, are, or is or am, are plus verb plus ing. Okay, that's all for this chapter. Tomorrow we are going to do another set of revision, that is revision 3 with the chapter what? Silver. Okay, So prepare literature chapter 11 silver. Thank you students. Have a nice day.